Jing versus Reka.
Hello. Hi. Also, you called Ashley.
It started when we were young. Young enough to understand who we are. A prince who have a land, a prince who want to stand in what we are, who we are, what we think. Even if we blink of our eyes, it's hard. It's hard to know what is right when you're young. We're playing around, playing with princess. And one alternative come. His name is Boy Hush. Came from Morocco. Oh, he's not loco. Crazy in Tagalog, but we are in English. We are become a triangle. We have different apparel that we like. A punk, a metal, and the alternative. And we go along from each other. From each other. As a child, it's a good experience. Playing around with princesses. And with our father, going together. One is drinking juice, one is using drugs, and one is using marijuana. What will you choose? She said. Boy has said, I'll choose to drink juice because I'm his alternative. And Ita says, I will choose to use drugs because I'm metal. And I said, I will use marijuana because I'm a punk. And our childhood is very good. Very good enough to understand what is life of being a prince. Of having a country on your side. You're not a blind man that's reaching for a light. A light that's shining like a star and the sun is in the east. And will you please me? Ita said, I'm a metal. Oh, there's arguing between the two. And I don't like it. So alternative, go. And we are the two that is in the time of our father's vices. Like what are trousers. It's not a girl blouses, but a trousers of a child, of a metal and a punk. Let's go use drugs. He said, let's use the same time with my father, and you're punk, that you use same time with your father. Okay, let's go. I'll go other dimensions, and you're going up. Going up, but not an eagle, but like a trees in the story of a giant that have a gold jack of a plaque. That you never ever think about things that will happen. That he will kill his father. He understands enough being a child to have a father. But why? Why he kill his father? Because he's a punk? He's a metal rather? No. But he know in his life that his father is no good. No good enough to understand that his father is just there for what? To kill him? Oh, this is aside the story of a metal. Let's talk about the story of a punk. A father who didn't love his son enough to understand that this son loved him so much. Every time he came from getting a food for us, and it's alright. It's alright for me because he is my father. He's not my real father. That's why he blind me. He don't care. And let's talk about the story of alternative that move away in the things of killings, of hatred. And this story is all about Jing versus Reka. They grow same time in the same country. No, it's not a city, but the fury, the anger for his father is burning for these two, Jing and Reka. They grow old and they understand enough that if they didn't do it for their father, they will do it for them. This metal killed his father, and this punk said, no, I love my father so much. Even he's not my true father, he hunt. Who will you hunt? A deer? Oh dear. It's no good to blind your son. It's no good to cut him in half. It's no good to do bad things to him. And one day, he will get revenge. Revenge of a wise guy, a young boy that you underestimate. You just manipulate. Even the heart palpitate. Still alive. Even you cut in half. Still alive. Even you cut the feet, the leg, the dick. And what? Yeah, it's hard. But he managed to be alive. Yeah, it's hard. Life is hard. But he managed to be alive. To fight. Oh, the story is all about Jing versus Reka. They grow old. Long story short, they have an argument. They have a fight. And these two have a fight that's unlike before. They have a fight that so might they're both They're about like burning anger for what? For the sins of a little bit. It's just a deer that my father hunt fall in the deep. No. It's an arrow. An arrow that hunt him. And there's a punching that happened. They hurt each other. It's like they're not been there when in the beginning. That's saving their lives from danger. And yeah, there's a fight between Jing and versus Reka. The story of the two princes, Prince of Dubai and the Prince of Opal. One metal and one punk. Who is the greatest? Who is the bravest? No one will win. Because everyone is a plim. Plim? What's a plim? It's a fire. It's not a gun. It's not a fire that you will burn. And they said, oh, you're just a flies. Oh, you're just a dog. Who are they are now? Have a depth. Throw in the depth of Gehenna, the Prince of Opal. The battle between Jing and Reka are now already fixed. Fixed, I think forever. And ever or never. Who will win? Maybe the one who loved the most. It's a battle between Jing and Reka.